D is for donkey. Say it with me. Donkey. R is for rhino beetle. Say it with me. Rhino beetle. D is for dog. Say it with me. Dog. E is for elephant. Say it with me. Elephant. R is for rhinoceros. Say it with me. Rhinoceros. T is for tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. R is for reindeer. Say it with me. Reindeer. A is for anteater. Say it with me. Anteater. Boing, boing, boing. K is for kangaroo. Say it with me. Kangaroo. Boing, 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 boing. R is for rat. Say it with me. Rat. G is for gorilla. Say it with me. Gorilla. L is for lion. Say it with me. Lion. Thanks for learning with me, guys.